Hello guys, this is Kudo, and today in this video we'll continue our mini-series video on Mario 2D, and we will be interested of setting up the stage, so all the background, all the brick, pipe and stuff like that. So let's get into it. So first thing we need to do, after opening the Unity project, we'll create a folder. Let's name this tile palette. Okay, and what we want to do, we want to go on Windows, 2Ds, and let's open the tile palette. So make sure to install the 2D package over there, so Windows Package Manager and the 2D package here. And what we want to do in the sprite, you will see the common sprite, so this one with the brick and all the thing we'll need it right now, and just need to create a new palette. So create a new palette, so let's name this one item bricks, maybe like this. Okay, it will ask you where to want to create, so we just create a folder on it, so tile palette like this, choose it, and what we want to do, we just want to drag and drop the common sprite here. And again, let's choose the folder tile palette and maybe over there, and basically this will create our tile palette. Next thing you will need to do, so let's go on my hierarchy, so let's create a 2D game object, let's create a tile map, and let's put rectangular like this. So let's name this one maybe ground, so we'll focus on the ground, so let's name this ground. Okay, and what we want to do, so for about the grid, we'll just adjust the size, the position, so we'll put 0.5 over there. And what we want to do, we want to pick up the brick made for Mario. So to be able to pick up the grid, so select this pencil over there, the brush, and choose this brick like this. And as you can see over there, you can paint the brick on your scene directly, so make sure to make it to be in 2D. And what we want to do, let's count 11 bricks, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and on the 11 should be outside the boundary like this. So to make sure to be able to do the right thing, so we'll make the count of 3, so 1 2 3, and let's fill everything up like this. And to be able to Mario to not be able to jump outside our world, let's put 8 bricks over there, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to make the rest of the world. So since this brick, we need to count 59 bricks. So I will not count out loud, so I will speed up the video to show you where I need to go. So from here, you need to count 59, and this will be this first part of this stage, and after we'll do the rest of it, don't worry. So see you in a bit. Alright, so I just finished to make the first step of this first stage. So what we need to do next, we need to put all the bushes and all the pipe on this first step of the stage, and after we'll do the rest of the stage. Don't worry, I will show you and I will give you all the number. So let me just quickly change the palette. So to do that, what we need to do, inside the grid, let's create again a 2D, so 2D, where it is, 2D object. Let's create a tile map and again a rectangular, and let's name this background, so background. Okay, like this. So let me put this behind the ground. What I will need to do, so I will need to create a new tile map. So let's select background. Let's create a new palette, and this one we'll call this background, so background like this. Okay, create. Again, let's select the tile map, choose this one. And what we want to do in the sprite, you will see the SMB1 environment. So let's select this one. Don't worry, every sprite will be linked in the description. So take this and drag and drop it over there. And as you can see, we can generate the tile palette. And what we want to do, we want to choose, maybe I create a background folder inside the tile palette, and we want to generate all this palette here. So let's choose this one. And as you can see, we got the cloud, we got the bush, we got the bigger mountain, etc., etc. So make sure in the background to set the position to 0, because when you create the background, it should be at 0.5, but we don't want to put 0.5, we want to put 0. And I will give you the map in the description. You will saw it to be able to position all the bushes and all the cloud you want. So let's make me the first one. So the first one is the first mountain, and we want to position it over there. So because it's not pixel perfect, and I don't have the good size with the tile palette, I need to make a concession with that, and some of the object in the environment will not be at the right position, but it's just a detail. What we want to do in this tutorial is it's a gameplay. So it's normal when you will select the mountain, it will be behind the ground, so it should be okay. And the next one, what we want to select is the bushes. So it's 3 bushes, and I think it's can't remember how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 after this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be here. So I got the map. This is why I know the number. I already make the number. So I will not advance the video. I will make I will place everything. I will just speed up the video, and you don't need to watch everything. But just for the environment, I will do all the placement. So I will do the cloud for the example, and I will do the rest by speeding up. So for the cloud is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the Mario. 5 all the Mario. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here. And I will continue on this. So I will take you back. So as you can see, it's very easy to position everything. You just need to count how many square in the tile palette you need to position your cloud or your bushes. And before going further with the pipe and the other part of the world, I will need to continue with the brick and the bushes for the other part of the world, because this one is only the beginning of the level, and I need to do all the other one. So I will speed up the video and make the rest of the world, and I'll see you in a bit. Also, when you create a ground, make sure to be on the ground and not on the background. And when you add background, make sure to be on the background and not on the ground, because this thing can just mess up some stuff. So make sure to have this. Okay guys, so there it is for the whole level of all the brick and all the bushes with the cloud. So now what we want to do, we want to add also the pipe, and for doing this, we'll need to do some stuff. So same for the background and same for the item. We need to create from the sprite a possibility to add the pipe. So for this part of the pipe, we just want to use half of the pipe, because we need the other half to be able to detect if Mario is on the pipe or not. So let me show you. So for this, so again, let's create 2D object, tile map and rectangular, and let's name this one obstacle base pipe. Okay, and again for this one, let's put this in 0, like this. And what we want to do, we want to again create a new tilt map. So let's name this maybe environment. So environment, like this. So when we create, so maybe in the asset, let's go to tile palette and let's create a new folder environment. So environment. Okay, let's choose this one, and let's use, so basically not this one, but the SMB1 pipe sprite. So let's drag and drop this. So let's choose environment, like this, and as you can see, we can basically, so in the environment, so obstacle base pipe, we can create our pipe. So for me, the size I use for the pixel per unit will be 15. So it's the best choice I could find for fitting the game. So what we need to do, so basically we need to create the pipe and basically make them the base over all the map, and after we'll use another trick to basically finish the pipe by putting the top of this to be able to detect if Mario is on the pipe or not. So let's do this. So I will do the first one with you, and we'll do the same for the rest. And as the other part of the video, I will just accelerate this, and you will see how I can do this. So again, choose obstacle base pipe. So choose the good tile palette. So for me, it will be environment inside the obstacle base pipe, and the first one. So it will be at the case. So let me just double check. Is 3 over there, like this, and I think is, oh yeah, it's under the cloud here, so we'll be there, and we want to put 1 here, and after we'll use the top to fill up the pipe. So after this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this, and we want to put 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, and as you can see, we can see the base of the pipe, and at the end we will finish it with this the upper part. But don't worry, I will show you how we can do that. But right now we just need to handle the base of the pipe, and because we already make the basic environment, we just need to follow the map and see where the rest of the pipe. So most of the pipe will use 3 or 1 base, so very easy, and there are not a lot of pipes, so we just need to figure it out where are they. So the next one should be after the drop, so not the 3, I think is, yeah, it's over there, and yeah, it's here. So we need 1, and we'll use the other one over there. After it's under the 2 cloud, so here, so I think it's here, so yeah, it's here again, only 1. And I will do also a pre-shot, because if you see the map under, you got some other pipe will continue under this. So we'll use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. And with that, we finish the pipe and also the bricks, the ground bricks. We didn't make the bricks of the bonus part, because I will use another system, because with the tile map system it's very annoying to handle everything. So before letting you go, so I will finish this with the final touch of the environment. So we are using the static brick. So remember, in Mario we got some static brick who are not moving, and we want to put this in this level, and also we want to add the castle. To do that, what we want to do, we need to use basically the static brick. So to do that, so again in the grid, let's create a 2D object. So 2D object, let's tile map, again rectangular, and let's name this so static brick. So bricks, yeah, because it's multiple bricks. And inside this, also I forgot to do this. So in the obstacle base pipe, what we want to do, we also want to add components. So let's add the rigid body, so a rigid body 2D. And in the rigid body, we need to make this static because we don't want this to be able to move. And also, we need to add this as a tile map collider. So add this, so tile map collider 2D. And as you can see over there, we got all the tile map. So we just add all the collider from the for the pipe. And what we want to do, we want to use a composite collider because we don't want to use 3 collider like this. We want to be able to be only one. So let's add composite composite collider 2D. And inside this composite collider 2D, what we want to do, we just inside the collider 2D, we just want to use composite. Check this, and as you can see over there, it smooths all the rigid body 2D, the collider 2D. And as you can see here, we got a bunch of. So if I uncheck this, as you can see, a multiple of it. We don't want this, and we want to use the composite like this. For the background and for the ground, I think for the ground I already used this. No, I didn't actually not use this. So in the background, let's add again a rigid body, so rigid body 2D. And same for the pipe. We want to use not dynamic but again static because we don't want this to move. So static, and again, so let's add a composite. So composite collider 2D, and we want again, sorry, it's not this one, it's tile map collider, sorry. So tile map collider 2D, and we want to use again the use by composite. And as you can see over there, it smooths everything up, and this will only respond to only one collider, and this will maybe it will not affect our optimization. Also, so we create a static brick. So same for this one. So for the static brick, so what I call static brick is static brick. And in the item brick, this is what I call static brick. So is this one. This one should be the static brick. So when we want to create this, again, do not forget to put like 0 over there to be able to put the brick on the good side. And what we want to do, again, we just want to put them in the map. So the first one start after the 2 here. So the 2 here, and I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And after it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, sorry. 1, 2, 1, and after this one is again 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. And this one is too much. So let me just select here. Like this. Okay, so again, we're still in static. So what we want to do, we also need to add them here. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. So this is very time consuming, and you don't need to I don't need to learn you how to do that because we already make this. So it's just time consuming to do that, but you need to do it because this is level design. I don't like to do that, but because I like coding part and it's not part of my job, but I need to show you how it's done. So at least you will know how to use tile map and 2D with using Mario 2D. So again, in the static brick, what we want to do, same as for the ground, we want to add a rigid body. So the rigid body like this, sorry, rigid body 2D, and make it static like that. So add the composite collider, so composite collider 2D, and again add also the tile map collider, so tile map collider 2D, and check the use composite, and like this you will use only one for the optimization of the world. Also, what we want to do, we need also to sort the layers. So about the layers, so the static brick for me, I'll put 3. For the ground, I will put 6. The ground, I will put 6. So where is the 6? Like this. For the obstacle pipe, I will put 5. So obstacle pipe, I will put 5. And for the background, I put 1. So for the background, I put 1. Now next thing we need to do, to make the castle. So for the castle, again, let's create a rectangular. So again, 2D object, sprite, tile map and rectangular, and use, let's name this castle. So basically it will be the castle when Mario will win, obviously, the game. Again, do not forget to put 0 over there. And for the castle, we already split this. I think it's not in environment, maybe background, no. Item brick, no. Okay, so let's select castle and what we need to create. So let's create a tile map. Let's create environment 2, like this. Basically, also in the perfect world, it should be cut in only one environment. But because I try to manage to find all the assets, you will need, this is why it's split in this 2 folder. But basically, in the good game, it should be only in one file. So let's create environment number 2, and basically the castle is not here, it's over there. So let's drag and drop the scenery. Okay, let's choose environment number 2, so tile palette and environment number 2, like this, and we just take the castle, and as you can see, it's pretty big. Use the wrong one, so it should be this one, like this. And what we want to do, is it here? Oh no, I messed up the brick. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry for that. So I just messed up the static brick. I'm sorry. So let me quickly move this here, like this. And yeah, so we got the castle. We need to add the flag. So the flag, I will add it later on in the other video. So what we want to do here also, we need to create the part of the world over there. I know it's a long video, but it's a setup of all the scene, and this is why it takes so long. So what we want to do here, so we need to create a last one. So let's create again a 2D object, so tile map and rectangular, and let's name this one corner pipe. So corner pipe, like this. And I guess you guessed it, for the corner pipe. So let's use corner pipe, and we got here the corner pipe, and I want to use this one. Over there, here, if I can use this, and for the corner pipe, yes, again, I need to change this to 0, like this, and I can use the corner pipe here. So for the tile anchor, I will need to change this, so the offset, sorry, here. So let me custom, we need to use custom, and I want to do the offset at minus 0.2 and 0.5 over there and 0, and as you can see, yeah, it should fit perfectly. So again, because I'm not using pixel perfect, I need to manage all the thing. So maybe if you make another 2D game, you will need to, and you don't have like some artist with you to do all the stuff precisely. You need to manage, and you need to use some tricks to make everything fall up nicely. So what I need to do, so I will choose, let's head back to, so I will put the corner pipe here, and for the corner pipe I will add component again with a rigid body, so rigid body 2D, and make it static here. I want to add also the tile map, so tile map collider 2D, and I want to use composite again, and again I will need to add composite collider, so composite collider 2D, like this. Here on the obstacle pipe, I will need to erase some of it because I don't need to use some who already. Oh, so I just like this, and as you can see, it fit perfectly. So don't worry. Again, the pipe. The upper part of the pipe will manage this after. So what we need to do, okay, so let me just use ground. So let me item brick, and I want to use the blue one, and I need to put 18 over there. So with that, we finish this the environment setup. So we fix the cloud, we fix the bushes, we put the castle, we put all the static brick. So maybe sometime it's still a bit on the left, on the right, but don't you worry. It's just to show you how we can make the level design. And as you can see, it's very time consuming to make level design. It's taken me a lot of time to do it, and I can do this because I make a lot of work on the amount of this video, and I know where to place this. So take the time you will need to do that. Don't rush it if you want to be the pixel perfect, and don't worry, I will put all the sprite in the link behind this video. And so now we just finish all the setup. We can start to making the gameplay, moving Mario, using the brick, maybe put some coin, etc. And you will see why I didn't put the top of the pipe and not the special brick with this tile map, because the tile map is very nice to make the 2D game like this, but it got a lot of limitation. So this is why I don't use this. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something, and I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.